Assalamu alaikum students, and a very, very, very good morning to all of you. Feeling great? Fantastic? Yes, amazing. Good. That is something really, really good. You should be happy, right? You should be fantastic. So, I'm your teacher, Miss Sadia, remember? Yay. Okay, that's lovely. Super great. And this is our arts class. You like arts class? Yes, I know you all like arts class. You learn to draw and you love to color, right? Yeah, that is great. That is very good to draw things. So whenever you're feeling even happy, and even if you're not feeling much happy, or even when you are at home because you cannot go outside most of the time, you have to stay at home, as we discussed earlier, that we have to stay safe and be at home. So there should be like many things you can do, right? You can even read a book, you can draw something, you can color, you can help your mommy. Yeah, that's even important, right? Helping your mommy is even important. Maybe when she's busy and she has to do a lot of things because all of you are at home. So you must take care of your mommy and ask her if she needs any help, right? Yeah, great. Amazing. I know you are fantastic kids. And in our arts class today, we are going to draw something which we keep it as a pet. Cat? No, no cat. No, not even a dog. Not even a turtle. But yes, that is the thing which is in the water, which stays in the water, which loves swimming in the water. What is that? Yay! That is a fish. Yeah, great. Remember, we talked about fish? Yeah, fish likes to swim into the water. Yeah, yeah, and they breathe through their gills, they get oxygen through the gills. Remember, there are even more than 30,000 types of fish, and even scientists are discovering more and more and more, right? And the whales are the big fish, right? But we cannot keep whale as a pet, right? And we are not even drawing a whale. We will learn to draw a small fish, right? A small cute little fish which loves to swim into the water, right? You can make it even colorful. You want to, right? Whatever color you like, you can color the fish your favorite color. Like I put blue and yellow and red and a little of like teal green or light green, right? See, but my fish is not really happy. Oh, she doesn't look like happy. So I want a happy fish. Yeah, she's happy, right? Wow, see, fish, I want you to be happy, right? Be happy and stay safe in the water. Yeah, she's happy. Good. That is great. Wow. Okay, so this is my fish, and now we are going to draw a fish, right? So everybody should be ready with your pencil, yeah, and a piece of paper. Very good. Yes. Now remember, put the paper flat on the table. Yeah. Yes. On a level surface. Your table should be neat and clean, right? Okay. Good. Super great. So everybody hold your pencils in your hand. Good. Right. Okay. So sit relax, sit properly on the chair, put the paper flat on the table, hold your pencils in your hand. But I'm going to hold my board marker, right? Because I am going to draw with the help of this board marker, and you can draw with the pen or the paper. And if you are okay, you can even draw it on your whiteboards if you have time. That's not a problem, you can use that as well. But it's more preferable to draw it on the paper, right? Before you draw it on the whiteboard, right? Okay, so I will have my whiteboard here so you can see the board, right? So I'm going to open up my marker. Yeah, okay. So we are going to draw the fish, right? So first of all, we are going to make curved lines, right? We're going to make curved lines, and we are going to make an oval with the help of those curved lines, right? We're going to make an oval, right? So I'm going to show you, maybe you can put a dot here, okay? Put a dot here, right? So you can start from the dot and you can make an oval, right? Remember the shape of an oval? Like this and like this, right? You can make an oval like this. Remember the shape of an oval, right? Yes. Okay, from the dot, make an oval. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so here we are curve line, then another curve line, right? Is it easy? You are going to make a oval. Now, after making an oval, you're going to put two more curve lines. Yay, that's great. Okay, looks like a fish. Yes. Then you're going to put a curved line here, and this same way you're going to make another curved line here. Right, wow. Okay, so we are going to make an eye of the fish here, like this. Yay, that's complete. Lovely. That is great. So you can even make a couple of wavy lines here. One, two, three, four. One, two, three. Yay! That completes our fish. Looks good, right? So everybody follow the teacher and make a fish like this, right? First of all, make an oval, then make two curved lines, then make another curve over here, then the other one over here, and then a couple of wavy lines, right? Yay. Okay, now everybody show me your fish. Has everybody done it? Yeah, that's great. Your fish looks very good. That's good. Amazing. Wow, that is lovely. See? Yeah, looks like good. And you can even make waves in which the fish is swimming, right? And then you can color that, right? Now everybody can color the fish whatever color you like, right? Everybody start coloring, whoever has finished drawing the fish, right? Okay, that's great. Everybody now start coloring. Take your time, right? Color properly. Don't come out of the line. Stay in the line and color your fish. Yes, good. Very good. Excellent. Very well done. Yeah. Concentrate. Good. Bright colors, right? Yeah, that's very good. Okay. Okay, so I will put my fish down. Okay, so everybody finish your coloring and then we're going to share, right? You're going to show us your fish, and we'll see how bright and beautiful and colorful is your fish, right? Okay, now everybody show me. Yeah, that is great. Wow, your fish is super lovely. Amazing, so colorful. Yeah, that's great. Good, good, good. Very well done. All of you did so well. Great. Amazing. Okay, that's lovely. So you keep on practice, right? Yeah. So, and try to make different type of fish, right? Maybe a different kind of fish, maybe with the long fins, or maybe with the tail, right? Or maybe with the pointed face, right? Okay. So this was our arts class. So I'll say goodbye to you, and I'll see you in our next class, right? Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye bye.